So this is a demonstration of the purge and wipe with a brush I've added to the Neptune 4. So we'll start with, it's a demo script to operate it. So the demo script calls the main script. So you'll see there's a brush fitted on the side of the bed towards the rear left. It fits between the gantry. So we're doing a home at the moment. So we're just going to home, heat the nozzle. So this is into the script that I use for all printing. Just comes down to the brush height, purges some filament just to get the filament flowing, does a triple wipe, and then it'll head off to whatever it's going to print. But it's not going to print now because it's just a demo. And so the nozzle, there's never any filament on any beginning of printing. There's a bit of what it's wiped off the nozzle on top of the brush, and there's an extrusion from the original, well, prime the nozzle really, would be a better word I think, somewhere, I don't know where that went, but that's probably what's in the brush, but it's normally longer, because I prime it with about 30 millimeters just to guarantee it gets a smooth flow coming out of it. So as per it went up and moved across just now to the middle of the bed, when it comes off the brush, it will really accelerate across to start printing immediately at a full speed move. So it didn't do a full speed to the center this time. Yeah, and so far it's worked every single time. It leaves whatever it's cleaned off the nozzle on the brush, and there's never a blob or anything at the start of a print, and nothing to fall off and get into the print. So it's definitely a great addition, almost a must-have really, if you want to never have anything falling into the print, because whatever gets on the nozzle will eventually during the print fall into it somewhere, and if it sticks to it, it can make a high clump, and then the nozzle will come around and hit it every time it travels over it. Could break something, the adhesion off the bed if it was a small object. So you definitely want a perfectly clean nozzle every time you go and print. So that's how you achieve that.